Top 5 easiest diets to maintain for busy people.
If you have a hectic schedule, sticking to a complicated diet can feel impossible. In this video, we'll explore 5 of the easiest, most sustainable eating patterns designed to fit seamlessly into any busy lifestyle. These diets prioritize simple meal prep, flexibility, and real-life practicality, so you can eat well without sacrificing time or energy, no matter how packed your days get.
1. Mediterranean diet.
The Mediterranean diet emphasizes fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins like fish and poultry, plus healthy fats such as olive oil. It's flexible, flavorful, and doesn't require strict calorie counting or meal timing, making it ideal for people on the go. With plenty of grab-and-go options and minimal cooking complexity, it's consistently rated among the easiest and healthiest ways to eat.
2. DASH diet.
The DASH diet stands for Dietary Approaches to Stop Hypertension. It focuses on nutrient-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and low-fat dairy, while limiting salt and processed foods. With simple guidelines, it's easy to adapt meals based on what's available. Many busy people appreciate that it works with typical grocery store foods and doesn't demand exotic or specialized ingredients.
3. Flexitarian diet.
The Flexitarian diet encourages mostly plant-based foods but allows for occasional meat or animal products. There are no strict rules or required tracking, making it flexible and realistic for busy schedules. You can adapt meals to whatever you have on hand or what's convenient, making healthy eating much less stressful and more sustainable for people with fluctuating routines.
4. Meal prep or batch cooking diets.
Not a diet in the traditional sense, meal prep or batch cooking is an approach where you prepare food in advance for the week. By cooking larger portions and storing ready-to-eat meals, you reduce daily cooking time and make healthier choices effortless. This method works with various dietary patterns and is perfect for anyone with a packed calendar.
5. Intermittent fasting.
Intermittent fasting isn't about what you eat, but rather when you eat. Popular approaches include the 16-to-8 method, where you eat during an 8-hour window and fast for 16. This can simplify meal planning and eliminate the need for multiple daily meals. Many busy people find it easy to stick to, as it reduces meal decision fatigue and fits a range of lifestyles.
Making healthy eating simple.
Choosing a sustainable eating pattern is key for long-term health, especially when you're always on the move. The best diet is one that fits your schedule, preferences, and real life. Consider trying one of these easy diets to see which best helps you maintain energy, productivity, and well-being, even on your busiest days.